For 2025, BMW Motorrad has redefined its iconic sports touring platform with the launch of the new R1300 RS, a machine the brand hails as its most dynamic RS yet. With a larger displacement, redesigned chassis, updated tech, and refined ergonomics, the R1300 RS is engineered to deliver sharper performance while retaining the long-distance comfort and practicality the RS line is known for.